Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best diamond art pen is probably one of the most essential tools for diamond painting enthusiasts, offering a precise and efficient way to place those tiny rhinestones onto your canvas, significantly speeding up the process and reducing hand fatigue. This video will explore the top diamond art pens on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall performance to help you find the perfect pen to enhance your diamond painting experience and create stunning masterpieces. Number 5. RECORDARME Diamond Art Pen. This unique pen is perfect for all your diamond painting needs. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold for extended periods. It's designed to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during long crafting sessions. The thicker pen body provides a superior grip. You'll find it so light you can work on your diamond painting for hours without discomfort. The weight is perfectly balanced for effortless use. This kit includes everything you need to get started: double-ended pen, various sized tips, correction plate, and clay. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's not just for diamond painting. Use it for nail art, mosaic making, or any project requiring precise placement of small items. It's incredibly versatile. Each pen is handmade, making it a unique piece of art itself. The resin material gives it a beautiful, shiny finish. We're dedicated to providing high-quality diamond painting tools. If you have any questions, we're here to help, and we'll respond within 24 hours. What we like? It boasts a unique ergonomic design and comfortable grip, perfect for long crafting sessions. The all-in-one kit includes everything you need to get started. If you value comfort and convenience, this is the diamond painting pen for you. What people say? This pen is great. 100 times better than the cheap ones the kits come with. Comfortable to hold, no hand cramps here. The attachments are very nice. It's thicker and feels more comfortable in your hands when holding. Also, attachments pop in tightly, and I love the tip with a slight angle as it allows you so place diamond dots with more sight and easier on wrists. Number 4. RovyFota Diamond Painting Pen. This 5D diamond painting pen comes with multiple drill bits, making your work up to twice as fast. It includes everything you need to get started quickly and efficiently. Unlike other pens, this one is made of 100% handmade resin. It's durable, reliable, and ergonomically designed for comfortable use. It's designed to be lightweight and comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. You can work on your diamond painting for longer without hand fatigue. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this pen is perfect for diamond painting. It's also great for other crafts like nail art and embroidery. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, you can return it for a full refund. We'll answer any questions within 24 hours. What we like? This pen features multiple bead placers for faster diamond placement. It's made from premium resin, ensuring durability. If you're looking to speed up your diamond painting process, this is the ideal choice. What people say? It is lightweight and easy to grip and comfortable to hold. It works well with the smaller square beads. The pen has a nice protective Ziploc bag to store it and the tips and cement discs in. It has a separate attachment to pick up several dots. Number 3. Diamond Painting Pen Kit. This pen is made of 100% handmade resin, making it lightweight and comfortable to hold for hours. Its ergonomic design prevents hand cramping, even during long diamond painting sessions. The kit comes with everything you need: a double-ended drill pen, various sized bead tips, correction plates, and clay. You'll be ready to start your next diamond painting project right away. Replacing the tips is a breeze. Simply screw in and out the different heads to suit your needs. The angled tips are especially helpful for precise placement. This pen is designed to significantly speed up your diamond painting process. You'll complete your projects faster and more efficiently than ever before. It's not just for diamond painting. It's perfect for nail art, embroidery, and other craft projects. Each pen is unique, making it a special gift for any art lover. Give the gift of creativity. This diamond painting pen kit is a thoughtful present for anyone who enjoys diamond painting or other artistic hobbies. What we like? Its lightweight design and comfortable grip prevent hand fatigue. The easy-to-replace tips make switching between sizes a breeze. If you prioritize comfort and ease of use, this pen is perfect for you. What people say. The included tacky glue works a bit better than the normal kit stuff. Plenty of drill bits to use. It has a thicker design, which makes it much easier for her to hold and use for extended periods without discomfort. This pen really provides comfort in your hand. I have not got any hand cramps yet while using it. It is really comfortable. The different tips are really nice. I've been using the tip that holds 5 diamonds and it has been working very smoothly. It also came with more wax. Number 2. Chuangdi Diamond Painting Pen Set. Introducing a new way to enhance your diamond painting experience. This set includes everything you need for a smooth and enjoyable process. It features 2 lighting modes, warm and bright white light. Choose the perfect light for your environment and reduce eye strain. Easily charge it via USB, mobile power, or adapter. Always have the perfect light at your fingertips, wherever you are. This set also includes anti-slip mats and clay storage cases to keep your workspace organized and your project running smoothly. With 12 replacement pen heads, you'll always have the right tool for the job. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. This complete set makes a great gift. Share the fun of diamond painting with friends and family. What we like. This pen offers dual lighting modes and convenient charging, reducing eye strain. The complete kit includes everything you need, plus anti-slip mats and clay storage. If you want added convenience and lighting for your projects, this is the one for you. What people say. The pens are comfortable to use, and the attachments work well. I'm especially pleased with the attachment that allows you to straighten misplaced drills. They are amazing. They are great for the price, come in cute colors and are very sturdy. They have 2 different lights, warm light and bright. They come with an attachable magnifier and non-slip pads and 2 wax organizers. Best thing about it is they are USB chargeable. The wax is great, a little goes a long way, and I like that they are in holders, rather than just between plastic sheets. The sticky gel mats are great, very sticky, though. Number 1. Diamond Painting Pen Kit. It features a threaded design, preventing loosening and breakage. Unlike others, it doesn't need a rubber ring, simply twist it into place for a secure, stable fit. This kit includes everything you need, a pen, 3 replacement tips, and 2 glue clays. It's designed to speed up your diamond painting process. Forget flimsy plastic tips. These metal tips are incredibly durable and won't bend, saving you from frequent replacements. Enjoy a smooth and comfortable experience. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the tips are smooth, durable, and rust-resistant. The pen itself is made of durable resin, with an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. It's the ideal gift for diamond painting enthusiasts. Surprise your loved ones with this thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. The innovative screw thread design prevents tips from loosening. The durable metal tips are long-lasting and won't bend. If you need durable, reliable tips and an ergonomic handle, this pen is for you. What people say. Nice weight and very pretty. Much better than the ones that come with the kits. I love the colors, but most importantly, it fits into my fingers much better than the ones that come with the kits. The screw and attachments hold securely, it is good quality and the carrying case is very handy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.